Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. I've got another US haul video for you guys. My sister Trina just got back from the States a couple of days ago and I asked you guys over on my Instagram stories if you wanted to see another haul video and a bunch of you said yes. Please remember that I am in no way showing off. I am not bragging. Haul videos are some of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube, so I figured I'd film another one for you guys. Again, I did not ask for any of these things. Trina was just very generous and decided to treat Mom Kebab and I to a bunch of awesome stuff. And to be completely honest, all of these things have been sitting in my closet for a while now and I've been dying to use a bunch of them, so I really just needed to film this video right away. So if you want to see all of the awesome treats that Trina got me, then please keep watching. I don't even know where to start. This was such a funny purchase because what happened was Trina, Mom, and I have a family iMessage group and she messaged us saying, guys, Urban Outfitters is on sale. I bought a mixer. And Mom and I were like, what? I think Trina should like start a class on how to bring back gigantic stuff from abroad because seriously, she packed this in its box. Now we have a mixer for the house. I've been dying to get a KitchenAid for a very long time, but they're just super expensive. So when I bake or when I cook, I always mix by hand. Now that I have this bad boy, I'll be able to bake more cookies and more cakes and stuff, and I'm just really excited to use it. That's when you know you're a tita. When your sibling brings you back a mixer and you're like super excited about it. Now that the giant mixer is out of the way, we can get to these giant bags filled with stuff. I think I'm actually gonna start with Kebab's pasalubong. She got these from Trader Joe's and she bought a pack of these for Kebab last time and he really enjoyed them. Beef recipe jerky strips and the chicken recipe jerky sticks. These are of course made with natural ingredients. They're very safe for pets. They're not made from that dangerous hide that dogs tend to choke on. Kebab loves these and these are a great way for me to continue on training him. Side note, Kebab can lie down, sit, and he can wait. I'm the next Caesar Milan, everybody. Trina also bought me some snacks. I love snacking on granola. I honestly think I was a squirrel in my past life or like a woodland creature. I could eat granola all day, every day. I actually left my favorite granola downstairs because I'm already eating it, but Trina got me 2 bags of the almond butter granola. She got these for me her last trip as well, and they were super good. Nature's Path Organic Love Crunch granola, dark chocolate and red berry flavor. It's absolutely delicious. And she also got me the double chocolate chunk flavors. These are chocolate granolas. They're organic. They're made from really good ingredients. I usually have these like as a snack or sometimes for dinner because right now I'm doing intermittent fasting, so I don't really eat breakfast. This came highly raved by my sister's best friend, Ian. Ian's sister recommended this to Trina to get for me. Trader Joe's organic toasted coconut granola. I've never tried this before. Super excited to. A crisp and crunchy combination of rolled oats, cornflakes, sprouted quinoa, almonds, and toasted coconut chips. Give me anything with coconut and I'm probably gonna be obsessed with it. Sticking with coconut, yes guys, we've got a running theme here. This is the Trader Joe's organic coconut sesame seed clusters. That sounds really good actually. I cannot wait to try this as well. Chocolate sunflower seed drops. So they're chocolate covered candy coated sunflower seeds. Sounds like a way healthier version of M&M Crispies, but it's still coated in chocolate and candy, so how much healthier can it be? I don't know. I'm not complaining. A couple of videos ago, I spoke to you guys about the maple syrup cookies that I was just obsessed with, and I kept telling you guys that it tastes like a cookie from my childhood, and I couldn't figure out what cookie it was. Well, I figured it out a couple of weeks ago, and the maple syrup cookies remind me of the vanilla flavored Keebler Elf cookies. When I figured that out, I was like, oh my gosh, Trina, that's what the maple cookies taste like. And she was just like, okay, weirdo. She got me the elf cookies! When we were kids, these were some of our favorite cookies to snack on. They're the Keebler Elf Fudge Elf Witch sandwiches. She got me 2 of the chocolate cream ones. Again, these are so good. And 1 pack of the vanilla ones. I am so excited. These are my favorite cookies, guys. Coconut lime mints. Sounds weird, but I bet they're gonna be delicious. She always gets me a pack of these. These are super like overpriced flavors of gum, but these are the the Project 7 Fairy Tale Fruit Gourmet Gum. It's got a unicorn on it. I mean, it's just super cute. I cannot wait to try this. I have the snow cone flavor, which I've been saving, and I'm happy because now I've got another unique flavor to try. Now we get to the product that basically inspired this entire haul. This is what I showed you guys over on my Instagram stories. Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb Glittering Pom-Pom. Super expensive and very generous of Trina. This is what Rihanna released around the same time as her Body Lavas, and it's basically just a giant pom, and it's filled with ooh, so cute! So it's basically a giant pom-pom. It's so flippin' cute. It actually smells really good too. And it's filled with glitter, and basically all you're supposed to do is just pat it all over your body, and it's supposed to give you that 90s shimmery Destiny's Child J-Lo glow. Anything Rihanna makes and releases, I mean, I'm gonna love, because let's face it, it's Rihanna. I'm really excited to try this. I'm probably gonna use it in a future YouTube video, so keep an eye out for that. Last few bits before I wrap up. You guys know I'm a crazy dog lady, and so is Trina, actually. And she always makes sure that when she goes to the States, she always brings me back something that's Frenchie related. Bath & Body Works Sweet as Strawberries Antibacterial Hand Gel. It, of course, has a cute Frenchie on it. These are great for chucking into your bag, especially if your bags are smaller. And being a germaphobe, I think, you know, 2 birds, 1 stone. It's adorable. It kills germs. What more could you ask for? And Trina also got me this. It's a scarf, and it's got a bunch of Frenchies on it, and the Frenchies are doing different positions. So there's like upward facing dog, downward facing dog. I absolutely love the Frenchie that has its head tilted to the side, because that super reminds me of Kebab, because anytime that you talk to Kebab, he always like moves his head around like, what are you saying? Next up, Trina got me probably the cutest makeup gift ever. This is the Urban Decay Trouble Is My Middle Name Minis set. Look at this. It's so flippin' cute. And inside, you've got a mini version of the iconic Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. There's a baby troublemaker mascara. I've never tried any Urban Decay mascara, but I only hear good things about this specific one. I cannot wait to try it, and it's a baby mascara. And lastly, there's the Bad Blood Comfort Matte Lipstick. I don't even know how I'll be able to use this because it's so freaking cute. It's like the tiniest little red lipstick, and Urban Decay really does have fantastic lipsticks. The color payoff is great, and they do last a long time. How cute is this freaking like mini set? They're so tiny. Trina knows how much I love clothes and how much I love comfy clothes. So being Trina, she made sure to grab me a couple of awesome bits. I've been wanting a shirt with this logo for a long time. Judge me if you want. I've been wanting this for so long. She got me a Fila t-shirt, and I think that this would be perfect with my high-waisted shorts from Zara. Perfect for the summer. It's super soft. She got this for me in Urban Outfitters. It's an Urban Outfitters exclusive. She got it for me in the medium size, so it's a bit oversized, but again, very, very cute. Also from Urban Outfitters, red tracksuit bottoms. These are the Adidas Originals. I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this. Red tracksuit bottoms. They're the cotton fabric. They're a bit warmer and a lot more cozier than the sort of waterproof Adidas pants that I already own, but they're just in this gorgeous bright color, and then it's got the Originals logo, white, blue, and black on it, and the bottoms are cinched, so that's gonna look really cute with some white sneakers. And the last gift from Trina, totally unexpected. When I saw this, I flipped out. I am obsessed with the Kardashians. I love them. I've been watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians for as long as I can remember. And my favorite Kardashian, aside from Khloe, is Kylie. Say whatever you want. I love, love, love Kylie Jenner. I think she is awesome, and I think that she is super beautiful. And Trina, oh my goodness, a Kylie Jenner t-shirt! Yes, guys, this is from her Kylie Shop. You know how like she has Kylie Cosmetics, and then she's got her Kylie Shop. She got me the gray Kylie Jenner t-shirt, and it's just got a picture of Kylie, and it's super pretty. She got me a size large so I can wear this with leggings and just be super comfortable and wear it proud. Yes, guys, I am a Kardashians super fan. And there you guys have it, all of the bits and bobs that Trina super generously gifted me from the States. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below of your favorite thing from this entire haul. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!